We're super excited to do some summer projects. This one we've been planning all winter long.
And a big thanks to Tomcat for sponsoring this video.
Our big plan is to build an outdoor shower by the sauna that we got last year in our new wellness space over here. So as we build the outdoor shower, we're gonna be using these. The Tomcat press and set mousetrap is super easy to use. It's very discreet and extremely effective. It's gonna stay nicely hidden right by the shower and underneath the cedar boards. Let us show you. Let's go. The mice have been coming from underneath here, and so we want to make sure that as we build the walkway and build the base that they don't stay under here. And this is where the traps will go, and they're super easy to set.
All right, so what we're gonna do, really simple. We're gonna have a base that we can stand on, and then we're gonna have a column that the piping's gonna go through. It's just a simple handle to twist to turn it on and off. Be stabilized by the backside of the sauna, and it is going to rock.
For the base, we're using pressure-treated lumber that's rated for ground contact that helps prevent decay and fungi.
I needed to cut a bunch of 16-inch pieces. Rather than measuring each one, I want to measure once. But there's this great extension piece right here that I was able to move out, pull over. Then I'm going to block a piece of wood right there, clamp it in so that every time I just push up against that block and cut it, and we're good to go.
Mike is cutting the pieces for the column, and we're using the same cedar boards that the sauna was made out of.
Right here we've got the Tomcat press and set mousetrap. Super easy, 4 steps. Put bait on, set the trap until it clicks in place. Fourth is dispose. Okay, let me show you. Got a little latch right here that connects to that spot right there. You just push, hear it click, and it's ready to go. Once a mouse is caught, you can dispose of the mouse. It'll be trapped in here by opening it up like this, disposing with the mouse, and then you can clean it and use it again. One thing I like about these is they're inexpensive, and you can check the link, the caption below. So we've got water line coming right here. We have a release valve so it'll drain when it's off, so we don't have extra water in the line. Funny pipe that comes up to our 1/2-inch PVC, comes up into some fittings so that we can have our on and off handle. We are all hooked up to water. We're just going to secure this to the sauna, and then we are good to go. All right, we're going to load some cheese in the little food compartment right there. Pull back. Lock it. This one's ready to go. Let's do the second one. Good call. Cheese in there. We're going to load this one. Let's place it. We're going to stick this one and the little critters that come over there. The other one we're going to put right here. All right, so this is going to be our main one right here. Make sure it's got clearance to be able to shut. Yeah, look at that.
Moment of truth.
No leaks, big money, no Emmys.
Hey!
Do a little scrub-a-dub, scrub-a-dub.
It looks good.
Yo.
This project turned out so good. Pretty inexpensive. A great DIY. The shower is protected by Tomcat devices so that we don't have to worry about getting mice underneath here. And they can be moved as needed and reused. We love how this turned out.